we have dog bite cases all the time. We just got one recently, and my client was all worried about what they need to know from the dog owner, and I said to him, you need to find out first and foremost whether they're up to date on their shots. Because if they're not, the dog needs to be tested to make sure it's not rabid, to make sure that you don't have to go through additional medical treatment. So that's the first thing. Now, in cases like this, the law is that it's kind of like a one bite rule in New York. You have to show that the dog or the animal, it could be any kind of animal, has some type of vicious propensities, that this dog did something like this in the past. So these kind of cases are difficult, especially when you're dealing with like house pets and stuff, to find that propensity issue. So with these types of cases, it's very important to get involved early, because we do things like talking to the mailman, talking to the UPS driver and the FedEx drivers that deliver to that house. Does the dog have aggressive tendencies and things like that? We've even had cases where we had our investigator go out and video the dog acting violently toward, running at the fence, growling, things like that. That can help set up these types of claims, because many dog owners are protective of their pets, and they don't want to admit that, oh yeah, our dog bit little Johnny down the street before. You're not going to get that all the time, so it's really important to get involved early and investigate as quickly as possible.